Hi friends, this video shows how to take backup of all data to laptop or USB flash drive before hard reset or factory reset. First let me go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to system. Select about. Go down. Select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me enable this USB debugging or ADB debugging. Enable it. Select OK. Done. After this let me go to this laptop. Here in this laptop we need to install one tool. We have to install this ADB. You can download this zip file from internet, then extract it, and here you can see adb.exe. From this path we need to open command prompt. I already opened command prompt. See, from here we can run adb commands. Before that we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. Here you can see I already connected this laptop to TV. After that you can just click here and you can check for this USB icon. If you see this icon, that means you have successfully connected laptop to TV. Next I am going to trigger backup. Here you can see a lot of commands. In this video I am going to concentrate on only these two commands, backup and restore. First let me copy this backup command. So when I run this backup command, it takes backup of all data from this TV or device, then store into this file. Let me copy this command, then go to command prompt, then paste here, then enter. Here you can see one white screen. Go to bottom right corner, then select this option, backup my data. See, backup starting, backup finished. Okay, let me check this backup file. Go to this folder. Here you can see that backup file, backup.ab. This is a size. After this backup, if you want, you can try hard reset or factory reset. After that you can restore data from this backup.ab file. So next I will show you how we can restore. This is a restore command, adb restore backup.ab. Let me copy this. Go to command prompt, enter. Again you can see the white screen. Go to bottom right corner, select restore my data. See, restore starting, restore ended. Okay, so this way we can backup all data to laptop, from laptop to pen drive or hard disk. External hard disk also you can copy from laptop. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.